You created an original song with Sonauto AI, uploaded it to YouTube, and suddenly, copyright claim. So why is your Sonauto AI song getting a copyright claim on YouTube? And does this mean you can't monetize your video? Don't panic. In this video, I'll explain why this can happen, how to check the claim, and what you should do next. Hello everyone, welcome back. First, understand one important thing. A content ID claim is not automatically a copyright strike. When you upload a video, YouTube's content ID system automatically scans the audio and compares it against copyrighted material registered in its database. So even though you generated your music using Sonauto AI, YouTube could potentially detect similarities with another track already registered in Content ID. If your Sonauto AI song gets a copyright claim, don't immediately delete the video. Instead, open YouTube Studio, click Content, find the affected video and check the restrictions section. Click Copyright, and then see Details. Here you can check which part of your song was matched, who claimed it, and what effect the claim has on your video. Depending on the claim, your video may remain online, but the copyright owner could monetize it or apply other restrictions. Now, what should you do? If you genuinely have the necessary rights to use the music and believe the content ID match is incorrect, YouTube provides an option to dispute the claim. But don't submit a dispute just because the song was AI generated. Before disputing, check Sonauto's latest terms of service and licensing conditions. Keep evidence showing how and when you generated the track, including your project information or other relevant records. If you're unsure whether your usage rights cover monetized YouTube videos, verify that before submitting any dispute. And here's another important tip. Don't assume that AI generated automatically means copyright free. AI music platforms have their own licensing and commercial use rules, and those terms can change. So can Sonauto AI music be uploaded to YouTube? Potentially, yes, but before using it commercially, understand your rights under Sonauto's current terms and YouTube's copyright policies. If your Sonauto AI song is getting a copyright claim on YouTube, investigate the claim first instead of immediately deleting your video or filing a dispute. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI music tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. AI music is incredibly useful for creators, but I would always verify the licensing terms before relying on any AI-generated song for YouTube monetization.